So, good morning, students. I am Praveen, welcoming you in the session of computer. And from today onwards, we are going to start our chapter number 7, which is about conditional statement in Python programming. But before starting the conditional statement in Python programming, I am going to remind you just a quick recap of Python programming, which we had done in class 7. I'm hoping that you are interested, you are motivated, and you are feeling so excited to learn this Python program. So first of all, I would like to ask you students, what do you mean by coding? Because there is a very buzz created in the market that you should have learned the coding, you should do the programming, you should have created games, Android apps, and etc. So first of all, I would like to ask you, all of you, that what is coding? Okay. So let's find out the answer is coding means there is kind of you can just interrelate with the personal life is also. If you are communicating with your friend in some other language, in some sign language, then it is also a coding now. Similarly, if you are communicating with a device, with a computer device, and you are giving commands, you are giving instructions to it in your way. So this will be referred as code. That means you are going to create a app, you are going to create a website or any kind of Android app or a game. So you are a creator, not a user. Now you are a creator. If you are a creator, then you will instruct, then you will give a command. So all the instructions, all the command that you give to the computer system is known as coding. Okay. And coding is done with the help of Python programming language or any kind of programming language which you are using. There are so many programming languages available, starting from that BC, Go, Fortran, C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, R, HTML, CSS, PHP, and the list is endless. But we are focusing on this Python programming. Now, what is programming? Programming is applying your logic, because you are not a creator. Applying your logic in a commanding way, in an instruction way, and then you want to develop anything, then it is known as the programming language. So for understanding any programming language, or you can say any language, you have to understand its syntax. Supposedly, if you talk about English or mother tongue is Hindi, so first of all, you will understand that vowels and consonants. If you are talking about Hindi, then you have to understand swar and vyanjan first. You cannot switch to the statements, you cannot switch to the sentences directly. So as similar to these languages which we communicate, so similar to the programming language, we have to understand the basics, the fundamentals of any programming language. The fundamentals starts with the variables. Okay, so variables. I hope that you have learned this variable, this algebra in class 7th and 8th mathematics. Okay. So what does this mean is variable plus able. Anything that can vary in the future, that has no constant value, is known as variable. Supposedly, I'm writing this 5 plus 8. What will be the answer? 13. You know this answer 5 plus 8 because the value is fixed. 5 is fixed, 8 is fixed, and you are adding it. But supposedly I am writing this x, y plus is equals to z. That means we don't know the value of x, we don't know the value of y, and we don't know the output. But we can say whatever the output, whatever the number will be, they will be added. Why I am saying this? Because these are my variables. That means these can change their value according to the need. X may be 5 sometimes, X may be 15 sometimes, X may be 20 sometimes, so it depends to you. It's not fixed. That's why it is known as variables. So we will also need variables in our programming language. Okay, supposedly if you are creating any kind of program in which you are supposed to just calculate the area of triangle, area of square, area of rectangle, so you need a number, but the number will not be fixed. So if it will not be fixed, then you will use variable. I hope that you have understood the variables. Now, The next fundamental, look students, this is a reminder class, this is a kind of recap, so I am just finishing the fundamentals thing in a very quick manner, because I am hoping that you have understood the fundamentals of programming in class 7 class. So variables are done. Now I will tell you about data types. Okay. So as a human being, we know the numbers. What is this? Your answer will be 5. What is this? Your answer will be, sir, this is 10.5. And if I ask that what is this, then you will answer that, sir, this is LPS. Why are you asking the same question again? We know it. Yes, this is my question, student. What is this? You will say this, sir, this is true or false. And yes, what is this? You will say that, sir, this is A. Once again, mark my point. I am asking you. You are human being, you know the numbers, you know the letters, you know the spelling. But computer do not understand what is being written. We have to specifically define that which kind of data we are going to use in our programming language. So this will be referred as integer. This is my decimal number. Or I can say float number. Floating numbers. Okay. LPS. It's a string. Why I am saying the string is? I am just clearing this. And true false will be referred as boolean. And this is a character. Why this is called a string? Because a string is a collection of characters. It is a collection of characters. L is a character, P is a character, S is a character. That means it is a collection of string. So data types are integer, decimal, or you can say the floating numbers, string, boolean data type, and the character. So this is the basic data type which we are going to use in our Python programming language in our 6th, 7th, 8th class. But if you talk about the advanced data types, so this will include the tuples, dictionaries, list, and etc. This is beyond. You will not understand this. So this is the data types which I have told you. Now, the next thing which you need to understand is operators. Operators. Understand this? 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Very simple. Now, x plus y is equals to z. Which is also a simple thing. Now x multiplied by x is equals to, let's say, a. Okay, we understand this. But look at these signs. This is my number, but this is my operator. Why I am saying this as an operator? Because it is operating these two digits. And what it is operating? It is adding them and then storing the output. This is also my operator. This is my operator, this is my operator, and this is star. Star means the multiplication sign. Okay. So, whatever the arithmetical operator, the comparison operator, that means this comparison operator greater than, less than, greater than, or equals to, less than, or equals to, whatever. So, these will be referred as my operators. Okay. Let's suppose this is my modulus operator. So, I don't know, we don't know what is the modulus operator. Just take an example. Supposingly, if you are dividing 15 to 4, what will be your answer? How about it? 15, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16, but 16 will not be considered. 4 threes are 12. If I subtract 15 to 12, then my answer will be 3. What is this thing? If you will say this remainder. This is my remainder. And this is nothing but whenever we want to access the remainder, we need to access this modulus sign. Okay, so if I am just applying 15 modulus 4, then my answer will be what? 3. Why my answer is 3? Because remainder is 3. Whatever the remainder will be, it will be written by this modulus sign, that is the percentage sign. Take another example also. Supposingly you are dividing 18 to 5. Let's say to 7 instead. So 7 2s are 14. 18 minus 14 is equals to 4. So 18 modulus 4 will return me. So 7 will return me 4. Why it returned me 4? Because 4 is my okay. So this is how you can understand the operators. Operators are plus, minus, multiplication, divide will be referred as slash, multiplication will be referred as this star sign, and the remainder you will use as a percentage sign. And these are my greater than, less than comparison operator. Okay. So this is how I wanted to be familiar with the Python programming language before we start the if-else conditions. So I hope that you have understood this class and enjoyed this class also. Take care. Bye-bye.